welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. It is really windy today, and I have finally got everything out of the old allotment, and I'm going to give you a quick look around because the allotment is very cluttered at the moment, and I'm going to be doing some tidying up, so I thought I'll do a before and after. I don't think I'm quite ready to sort out the shed yet. I want to do outside. So let's show you what it looks like. And I haven't brought my microphone, so you won't be able to hear me talking, so I'll just show you around. This is moved. Is it windy, Casper? Is it windy? Surprised the greenhouse hasn't blew away again. Compost bins flew away. I hope the lid's still here. Yeah, the lid's there. It's because it was empty. I've got all these paving slabs for my polytunnel. Just two there. And then. What's up? Hi. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Yeah, the sun's out, it's a bit hot but windy, and it keeps raining slightly as well at the same time. So I'm just going to do a bit of time lapse of me tidying up. Trying to organise it all again. I'm going to water my seeds that I put in the day, the carrot seeds and all that, rusk seeds and the onions, strawberries, and I'm going to try and move the strawberries all into the strawberry tower. There's a lot to do, and I've got a lot to do at home in the greenhouse as well, because I have got the greenhouse at home. I just haven't got these ones set up here yet, so let's stop talking and just do it. This is my view. I suppose it could be worse, except the shed's a bit